everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna solve the 4x4 Rubik's Cube. So, inspection. Okay, 3, 2, 1. So I'm using the Yao method to solve the cube. It's not that hard, but I don't know what, but I feel like I'm going so fast, even though I am going fast. Okay, what? The hardest step I've done. Oh, I just missed that. No problem. Okay, 1:18. That's amazing. I only normally get 3 minutes, but okay. I don't know what that was, but 1:18 is very good. Let's scramble it up again. Super fast scramble time. Okay, this could be it. Okay, second solve. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Go. Okay, this one I am a little bit not getting it, but no problem. Okay, take this out, put this in. Okay, this. I had to learn 3-2-3 edge pairing. It'll make my solves faster, more. Now it's still 1 minute. The recording is, I believe, 2 minutes. I had to check. Okay. Parity. EPUB. Huh? What? It's not an EPUB. No. It's yellow parity. Okay, now FPUB. FPUB. 140. That's amazing. So that's it for this video. I'm not gonna do an average of 5 since it's gonna take a long time. The video is gonna be so long, so average of 2 is 1.29. 1 minute 29 seconds is the average. First I got 1 minute 18 seconds, then 1 minute 40 seconds, and it's 1 minute 29 seconds. So thank you for watching the video. Subscribe, like, and share the video. Comments might be turned off, but no problem. Like, share, and subscribe. See you all in the next video. Bye. Bye.